A pre-workout warm-up exercise routine is crucial for preparing the body for more intense physical activity. It helps improve blood circulation, enhances flexibility, reduces the risk of injury, and primes your muscles and joints for the movements you're about to perform in the main workout. A good warm-up routine should focus on gradually increasing your heart rate, warming up the muscles, and increasing mobility in the joints, all while avoiding overexertion to avoid fatigue before the main workout. Stick around while I go through the benefits and types of exercises employed in a good warm-up routine, after which you can follow along to some warm-up exercises with music. The key benefits of a pre-workout warm-up are 1. Increased blood flow. Warming up gradually increases your heart rate, which helps to pump more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, making them more efficient. 2. Reduced injury risk. By increasing blood circulation, muscle flexibility, and joint mobility, the warm-up helps to prevent strains, sprains, or other injuries during your workout. This is because cold muscles are prone to injury when exercised. 3. Mental preparation. A good warm-up also helps you mentally transition into your workout, allowing you to focus better on the exercises ahead. The types of exercises to incorporate into a pre-workout warm-up routine should be low-impact, gentle exercises. Such exercises include light cardio movements that slightly increase the heart rate and get the blood pumping to your muscles. Exercises like brisk walking and marching or jogging on the spot are ideal. Start slowly and increase the intensity gradually, or bring your knees up as you march in one place. You can also swing your arms to increase the intensity further. Jumping jacks are another exercise you can do if you feel comfortable. They get your heart rate up and activate both your upper and lower body. Dynamic stretching exercises are also great for warming up the body before a main workout. These exercises involve active movements that gently stretch the muscles and joints. Dynamic stretching is more effective than static stretching for a warm-up routine, because it not only helps to promote flexibility, but warms up your muscles at the same time. Exercises like circling the arms, swinging the legs, and twisting the torso are ideal dynamic stretching exercises. Circling the arms helps to warm up and loosen up the shoulders and arms. Twisting the torso helps to warm up and loosen up the lower back, waist, and hips. And swinging your legs forward and backward helps to warm up and loosen up the hips and legs. Joint rotations are also good exercises to include in a warm-up exercise routine. These exercises target the major joints of the body. Rotations of the neck, shoulders, wrists, hips, and ankles all help to reduce joint stiffness, encourage and improve joint mobility, and warm up relevant muscles local to those areas. Depending on your level of fitness, the sport you may be involved in, and the intensity of the main workout after the warm-up, bodyweight exercises are also sometimes added to the warm-up routine. Bodyweight exercises activate and warm up major muscle groups more intensively, without putting too much strain on the body. These exercises specifically target muscle groups that you plan to engage during your main workout. Hip bridges are a great but gentle muscle activating exercise that warms up and exercises the lower back, glutes, butt muscles, thighs, and hamstrings. Lying on your back with your feet flat on the floor, knees bent, and palms down next to your hips, lift your hips toward the ceiling. Bodyweight squats are another muscle-activating exercise that can be part of a warm-up routine. This exercise activates the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and squat down as if sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up, and be sure to keep your knees behind your toes to save injuring your knees. Push-ups or press-ups are another muscle-activating exercise that focuses on the arms, shoulders, and chest, and can be added to a warm-up exercise routine if you plan to engage those muscle groups in your main workout or training session. Here's a sample pre-workout warm-up routine. 2 to 5 minutes of light cardio with brisk walking, marching, or jogging on the spot, or jumping jacks. 2 to 5 minutes of dynamic stretching such as arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. 2 to 5 minutes of joint rotations such as neck circles, shoulder rolls, and ankle rolls, etc. 2 to 5 minutes of bodyweight exercises such as hip bridges, bodyweight squats, or push-ups. And here's a quick warm-up exercise routine with music that you can follow to help prepare your body for a more intense workout to improve performance and reduce the risk of injury.